I don't know what is this. It's in a box of Amazon, but Amazon don't package things like that. So let's see what is inside. Okay, let's see what is in here. Looks complex. Newspaper. Oh, what is this? Telecamera adapter. Oh, 317. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, that's the camera adapter for telescope. So let me open this one. Quite impressive. Let me open it. A chunky piece of tool. Oh, look at that. That looks really professional. Oh, it's for camera image eyepiece projection to use on a telescope. Very interesting. So let's see what is this one. It's a little bit smaller compared to other one, the box. So I'm wondering what is this. Oh, another camera adapter. I bought only one, but I bought two. The seller kindly sent the rest, the next one. So, another camera adapter for the telescope. Look, good quality material. Interesting enough, you loosen these screws, you can extend it to adjust the focus. That's really good. They're not fixed. So this is really good quality product. May bless the person who sold it. The person gave me also this one. She gave me this one. This other one for free. That was from the camera shop. Late father, they were selling this. Yeah, may Allah bless them. Thank you very much.